Well, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on the application of floppy TV. We go to settings like this. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we click on rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.